Hi, and welcome to this week's edition of the Rugged Rundown. And today I'm going to talk about my new favorite rugged laptop, the ultra rugged Getac X500, as compared to the flagship Panasonic Toughbook CF-31 fully rugged laptop. Well, size-wise, the Getac wins, obviously. I mean, look at this, 15.6-inch screen, another reason it's my favorite, versus the 13-inch standard screen. This is widescreen, this is standard screen. The one thing I will say is Getac and its handles versus the Panasonic handle. The Panasonic is easier to grab a hold and do like this, so you can grab it easy. It is a little smaller. The handle on the Getac is a little stiff. It pulls up like this, but once you have it, this is a beefy handle. And I think maybe Panasonic ought to do something like this because this is a nice handle. If we take a look, the Panasonic keyboard is your standard laptop keyboard. It is backlit on this unit, as well as this is backlit, but take a look, it's got the number pad on the side. Why? Because it's got the 15.6-inch screen, which gives it a bigger chassis so they can put a bigger keyboard in there. Now, some of the downsides. Well, I got to tell you, one of the downsides of owning the X500 is the weight. Just this here unit, as it sets, is 11.65 pounds. That is a beast to carry around. I mean, I could throw this at someone and it would hurt them. Now, the 31 still is beefy, built to the same specs, but it is definitely half the weight of your X500. Now, that makes this a lot more portable. And again, I could probably use this as a weapon too, and probably more effectively because it's lighter to throw. If you had somebody you wanted to throw a laptop at, I guess. But to me, that's sort of the differences. Now, the Getac X500 comes with more ports. You get 2 serial ports, 2 RJ45 Ethernet ports. You also got a lot bigger mouse pad if you take a look. Now, again, this is because the chassis is larger, so they can put larger components on here. But you can see the mouse pad is larger. But another nice feature of this mouse pad versus the Panasonic Toughbook, this has the ability on the side, I don't know if you can catch that in the camera, but it has the ability on the side to use this to control your vertical alignment of your screen right there. So that's really a nice feature when you're scrolling. Other than that, this one has 3 programmable buttons, whereas the Toughbook does not have those buttons. This one has an economy mode, so you can save battery, I guess. It also has a brightness button right here to make your screen brighter or dimmer. It is a daylight readable quadra clear screen, as well as, I would say the daylight readability is the same on these 2 screens. I almost like the way this screen is more matte finish versus glossy, but that's a personal preference. Other than that, basically, they're both built to the same standard, so they're both fully rugged, but I think the Getac X500 is the ultra rugged. I don't know how else to tell you, but it is an extreme rugged laptop. Let me know what you think, though, in the comments. I want to know what you think, as well as, hey, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. If there's anything else that you guys want to say, don't forget to say it, and I'll see you guys next week.